Hi everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Today we are going to show you how to manage your products. On the My Product page, you can view all your completed product designs. Clicking on the product image allows you to view more mockup images of that product. When searching for a product, you can enter the product number or product title in the search bar to find it accurately, using the product filter and time field to make it easier to narrow down your search. After selecting the product, you can bulk copy of the product to your online store or delete them in bulk. Once copied, you can switch to your online store from the top right corner of the page to view the products. If you have designed branding options for product, an add-on button will appear for that product. Click it to view your branding options. Click Edit Design under the action to enter the product details editing page. You can select images and modify the product title, description, text, pricing, and more. Clicking on Create an Order allows you to create an order of that product. After switching to your online store, you can check the status column to see product status. The status are hidden in the store, unpublished, or published. If an update prompt appears to the left of the publication status, it means the product attributes need to be updated. You should consider whether to update the product information. Once you've confirmed that the product details are correct, you can click Go to Publish under the action to publish the product to your store. If you are in the general store, you won't be able to click Publish. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your watching.